Are you ready to dominate in Heroes Battleground 2025? Today, we are diving into the exciting world of freezing variants. This powerful mechanic can elevate your gameplay and give you the edge you need to win. Let's get started. Freezing variants allow you to modify your attacks with ice infused moves. You can execute standards, melee attacks, down slams, uppercuts, and raged or ranked attacks with a frosty twist. Here's how to make the most of them. Basic attack with Sub-Zero. Walk up to an enemy, activate the Sub-Zero ability. This will infuse your melee attack with the ice, launching your opponent away. Perform a down slam by jumping and pressing the slam button just before you hit the ground. Activate Sub-Zero to create a stunning ice effect. For an uppercut, hold down the attack key M1 and press the jump key space. Right before the uppercut lands, hit Sub-Zero for an icy finish. To execute a ranged attack, perform 4 melee hits. After the fourth hit, press Sub-Zero to unleash a freezing projectile that deals significant damages. Tips for success. Each freezing variant attacks deals around 15% damage, making them effective in various combat situations. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your playstyle. Timing is crucial. Practice activating Sub-Zero just before your attacks lands for maximum impact. Now that you know how to use freezing variants in Heroes Battlegrounds 2025, it's time to hit the battlefield, master these techniques, and adapt your strategies, and watch as you climb the ranks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!